Oh, hi. My name is Skelo-Dog. I am I come out every Halloween, and I scare people. Well, because I do that. It's like I need to scare people, so they can be scared because it's Halloween. Come this way. So I'm gonna scare someone. 3, 2, 1. Skelo-Dog, you always come up with this. It's like every Halloween. What's wrong with it? Well, you see, it's like getting pretty old. You're nuts. No, well, not really. It's like you need to get over it. Why should I get over it? Is that a problem? Well, no, then you shouldn't be insulting me. Well, you always do this every night. Right, well, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. You do it every night. Are you sure about that? Yes. It's like, like on calendars, it's like like October, you keep scaring everybody. But not you. No, not me. It would be impossible for me to be scared. Yeah, you're right. Maybe because you're fat. I'm not fat, man. Okay, so I'm just gonna... Why'd you get scared of that? Well, I almost got scared, but no, you're not gonna make me scared. Oh, really? Yeah, really? Well, then where's your taxes? What tax? I pay my taxes. Why do you ask that question? Well, it's because... Whoa! Why are you not scared? I told you, I'm not gonna scared. You just scare people because it's Halloween, Yeah, I do that. So can you change? No! Ow! Oh, goodness, this is getting too old. Can I just go? Please? You can't say please. Why? Because it's not what Halloween does. You know? So can I go, please? I said don't use the word please. Well, why? Because it's an insult. Why would I say an insult to you like you do every time? Oh, yeah. Do that. So stop saying that. Fine. I'm just gonna go. Alright, I'm just going. Actually, it didn't work. You know what? I think I wasn't scared, For reference, I thought... I scared you! Oh my goodness, you almost gave me a heart attack. What? Yeah. Oh, that's a part of Halloween, so... Oh, man, I need to lay down. And that's what I do. So, you better watch out or I shall scare you. I got you, cameraman. Hey, get that camera off. You're just gonna be scared all October. That's what I do.